All right, so I've done a couple of things since I last talked to you guys. And, I want you guys to know that even though I only have a few, viewers um, that comment, few viewers, period, but a few viewers that comment, I take all those comments very seriously and I look into them, G Law, Tellboy, Spaceman, Ost have all given me great suggestions. And I got a new one from, and pardon me if I butcher the name, it's Demetris or Demet something Master, who told me to not deal with the different magnets. So two of these magnets are solid, there's no hole through them, and the other four are. And I was going to try to figure out a way to fill the hole. And I actually did. I filled the hole with iron. But he had mentioned, he said, dude, just bite the bullet and get more solid magnets. So I did. And these are some powerful solid magnets, as you can see. So I'm going to replace the four that aren't solid. And I got the exact same ones. So I'm going to do that. And then I printed out a new coil housing based on Sky Collection's design. And I realized that I didn't make it long enough. It's definitely wide enough so that I can put one layer, put some cardboard, some paper, another layer, some paper to make those perfect coils that he makes. And when he showed us how to do it, I was like, oh, that's how he does it. So I printed out a new one. This one is definitely the right size. It has the right width, the right height for the lip going all the way around, and the right width this way and the right depth, so to speak. So I've got the new wire. I've got two giant spools of the correct gauge, or at least the correct gauge I'm going to use. So the only thing I can do now is replace the magnets that are in there with these guys, with these beautiful magnets. And these are strong. Holy mackerel. I got to be really careful. And then, yeah, look at just even having this too close to it is kind of dangerous because they will fly. And then I got to take some time to wind this puppy and do it right. This one I'm going to wind, but I don't think I'm going to wind with the care that I'm going to do with this one. And I am going to do a bifilar coil because Sky Collection said it doesn't make any sense to do a single coil, do a bifilar. And I've got new circuits coming in, new and improved Sky Collection circuits like these, but much better. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these. These are great. But they should be here shortly. So that should give me time to make the coil. And now that I look closer at this, I can see how he was able to make this so perfect. First of all, he's got patience, which I don't have. But putting that layer in between putting that layer of paper in between each layer of wire, really, I think it'll make it a lot easier. All right, so let me replace these guys, or replace the four in here that are not solid, and we'll continue on. Really quick, so I changed out the magnets like I said I would, and I decided to hook it up to my um, supercap bank, and there was just enough voltage in there to get it going. You can hear it, but it's piddling down now. I just thought it was interesting. I had not charged up this Super Cap bank. There's 6 2.3 volt massive farad super caps in there. I forget what the actual farad count was, but I had not charged it up in probably a year, and it still held enough to get this guy going. Of course, it petered out. I have I think they're 500. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Let me see if I can pull it out. They are, yeah, 500 farads, not microfarads, farads at 2.4, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 16 volts. A lot of amps. But yeah, I was going to set this up to see how much I could draw from this guy. Then I thought, I'm just going to wait for my new circuits to come in, which should be here, I believe, next week. And then I'm going to bring down the massive maglev to run with those, because that's what that was made for. I'm still going to work on this guy, and of course I have not forgotten you, buddy. You are still good. I'm going to make some new coils for that one there. But I'm right now trying to fix my kid's bolt, his Jetson bolt. One of his friends spilled it and broke the throttle. I ordered a new one. You know, I've also got this thing too, which is a coil, I believe, for, I don't know if it's for a Samsung, but I'm definitely going to put that thing to good use at some point. Anyway, hopefully I can get those. So the next big thing I need to do is I need to get this coil wound, because, yeah, I need to do it right. Ciao.